Hi friends, we're back with another blind box, but this time from Miniso, and it's the Stitch Eat Something Before Sleep collection. This is the direct competition to Pop Mart's Labubus, so I was really excited to get one of these and see which cute little Stitch I got. Personally, I really wanted the one in the front with the pineapple or the donut, and of course there's the surprise, which who doesn't want that one? So let's see what I got. And you already know I love to be surprised, so giving you guys a sneak peek into which one I'm opening here. And the best part is, to my luck, I got the exact one that I wanted, which is the donut Stitch. So cute. I'm really excited to add this to the collection.